Would you like to work in an industry that will never come to a screeching halt? Enroll in the Automotive Collision Technology Technician program at Pinellas Technical College. The rigorous Honda curriculum used in this course will teach you how to prepare vehicles for repair and finishing, including paint mixing, surface preparation, paint matching, and application. You will learn how to analyze damage, vehicle construction, parts identification, and how to estimate the cost for repairs. In approximately 14 months, you can earn certifications through the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence and International Collision Auto Repair. Graduates from Automotive Collision Technology Technician program enter the job market as automotive body repairers, painters, repairer helpers, or painter helpers. To learn how you can enroll in this high-demand course, visit our website, myptc.edu.